Tim Burton exhibition in Seoul, Korea. So we just bought tickets to go inside. It was pretty expensive. It was 20,000 won per person. Before you enter, you can stand here and get a photo as Vincent. Inside the exhibition, you're not allowed to take photos, but when you leave, there are a few photo zones. Basically, everyone will have the same photos. Also at the end is the gift store. Here you can buy pictures like Oyster Boy or Stain Boy. These are postcards and posters. There wasn't much merchandise in general, and over here is another photo zone. Overall, I really enjoyed this exhibition. I highly recommend it. The tickets are expensive, but I spent a very long time inside. Some things inside were only Korean and some things were only English, so you may not understand everything. I easily spent 2 hours here, but it is extremely crowded. You may have to wait for a long time to just watch something or see something. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!